Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Banni grassland of Kachchh. Grasslands are one of the largest ecosystems in the world. They are distributed mainly in semi-arid and arid areas and include savannahs, grassy shrublands, and open grasslands. In a study, researchers have assessed the suitability of different areas of Banni grasslands for sustainable grassland restoration, considering ecological value to be the primary criterion. The Kachchh district in Gujarat houses one of the largest tracts of grasslands in the country. Popularly known as Banni, it once covered an area of approximately 3,800 square kilometer, but it has now decreased to about 2,600 square kilometer. In a bid to restoration, researchers grouped restoration zones of the Banni grassland into 5 categories depending on how suitable each zone was for restoration. They have found that as much as 36% of the existing grassland area was highly suitable, 28% was suitable, 27% was moderately suitable, 7% was marginally suitable, and 2% was not suitable for restoration. The first two categories of the highly suitable and suitable zones can be restored easily by simply providing them with adequate water sources, either through irrigation or rainwater harvesting. Grassland expansion can also be managed with the other remaining zones through interventions such as terracing with supplementary inputs like fertilizers and by protecting from high water runoff and erosion and salt intrusion. The study could provide the National Green Tribunal and policymakers a robust foundation for crafting policies aimed at protecting and rehabilitating degraded grasslands. In India, grasslands account for approximately 8 lakh square kilometer or about 24% of the country's total land area. They are increasingly threatened by agricultural conversion, tree-based plantation projects, invasive species, and mega development projects. Now is the time to test your knowledge. Which of the following is the largest grassland in India? Banni grassland, Jhukoed grassland, Vidhi grassland, or Kachchh grassland? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.